friends. Learning objectives. 1. Comprehending the meaning of the real winner. 2. Understanding that one can transform defeat into victory. Warm-up. Tongue twisters are fun, but they are sometimes very tricky. Here are some twisters given to you. Speak out loud 3 times in the class without twisting your tongue for once. 1. She sees a cheese. 2. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Manish retired his running shoes for the 3rd time. All the month he had been talking about his first 5K race and how he was going to come first in his age group. Several of his friends from school had come out to watch or run the race too. "Are you ready?" Sohan asked. "Yes, no problem." Manish did a few warm-up stretches to cover up the fact that his hands were trembling. He had trained for this race, but there were so many people both participating in the race and watching it. What if he didn't win in his age group? What if he tripped and fell? A whistle blew and starter called everyone to starting line. "I'll try to keep you inside," Sohan said, "but you're much faster than I am." He leaned closer. "I'm kind of just hoping I can finish the race without having to stop." Manish tapped Sohan's back. "Don't go out too fast and you'll be fine. It doesn't matter what place you finish in. The run is for a good cause." The school was raising money for a teacher who had lost his house in a hurricane. Sohan nodded. "Right, let's do this for Mr. Gupta." Manish took his spot on the starting line and noticed Mr. Gupta standing next to him. "Thanks for taking so many of your classmates to come out today, Manish," Mr. Gupta said. "No matter what place you come in, you're a winner in my book." The starting buzzer sounded and Manish took off, thinking of Mr. Gupta's words. After the first mile, Manish glanced back and saw Sohan grabbing his side. He must have had a cramp. Mr. Gupta was still next to Manish, matching his pace with each step. "Everyone is a winner, right?" Manish asked Mr. Gupta between breaths. Mr. Gupta looked back at Manish and a few other students lagging behind. "Every single one of you." Manish nodded and ran back to Sohan and the other. "Arms up over your heads and take a long sigh," Manish said. His friends did as Manish instructed. "Good. Now swing your arms again and focus on your breathing." Manish continued to coach his friends until he saw the finish line. "There's the end. Come on, guys. Let's finish this together." They crossed the finish line as a group and found Mr. Gupta waiting for them. "Why did you come back for us, Manish?" Sohan asked, still out of breath. "You could have won. You could have won." "Everyone is a winner," Manish said, smiling at Mr. Gupta. Everyone clapped loudly to see their spirit of game. Find meaning. Several, a lot of. Stretches, straightening one's body or a part. Tripped, caught foot on something and fell. Leaned, moved into sloping position. Hurricane, a storm. Buzzer, an electrical device that makes noise used for signaling. Cramp, muscular pain caused by strain. Pace, speed in walking, running. Lagging, failing to keep pace. Coach, to give special classes in sports to impress one's skills. Art integration. Look at the picture and tell which game these two friends are playing. Explain the steps to play this game. You can also play a game with your friend. Exercises. Creative expression. Friendship is the most expensive gift in the world. Without friends, our life is incomplete. Think about when you fought with your friend. How did you win their trust back? Share what you do to win their trust. What promises did you make your friend happy again? Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. What qualities can make you a winner? Fill in the blanks with different qualities of a winner. Critical thinking. Let's play a game and find out the given words in the grid. Encircle the words also. You may use different colors as well. Logical thinking. Is it winning or spirit of game that is important for a sports person? Explain in your words who is a true winner. Exercise time. Answer the following question. A. What was Manish talking about all the month? Answer. Manish had been talking about his first 5K race and how he would come first in his age group all month. B. Why did Mr. Gupta thank Manish? Answer. Mr. Gupta thanked Manish for taking so many friends to come out to watch the match. C. What did Manish do for his friend Sohan during the race? Answer. Manish continued to coach his friends until he saw the finish line. Find their meaning. A. Instructed. Command. B. Participating. Take part in action. C. Trembling, shaking. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. Mr. Gupta is a coach. B. Before the race, Sohan said to Manish to run for the good cause. C. The school was gathering funds for a teacher whose home had been destroyed by a hurricane. Match the following columns. Imagine that you are going to participate in a race competition. What are the things you will pack in your bag for the competition? Column A, column B. A. Kit bag. B. Running shoes. C. Water bottle. D. Football. E. Watch. Tick the right options. A. The message that we get from the story is 1. We should always win. 2. We should never lose. 3. Winning or losing doesn't matter. Participate is a great thing. 4. All of the above are correct. 3. Winning or losing doesn't matter. Participation is a great thing. B. The school had decided to organize 1. A race to raise funds for someone. 2. A cricket match for the students. 3. Both A and B. 4. All of the above are correct. 1. A race to raise funds for someone. Conceptual understanding. In the story, everyone is a winner. Manish was running in a race to raise funds for someone who lost their house in a hurricane. Right about the time when you participated in an event to raise money for a good cause. What was the event? What did you do and others do at the event? For what worthy cause were you raising money? Communication. Writing skills. Write about 5 such things that make a place neat and clean. Write about 5 another things that make a place untidy and dirty. Column 1. Things that make a place neat and clean. Column 2. Things that make a place untidy and dirty. Reading skills. Speak the words in which R is not pronounced and make sentences. Shirt, frog, right, beggar, farmer, clerk. Art. Listening and speaking skills. Listen to some incidents from the story being read out by your teacher. Some of them are incorrect. Rectify the incorrect sentences and share with the class. Let's learn spellings. Match each vocabulary word on the left with the definition on the right. A. Several. B. 5K race. C. Trained. D. Tripped. E. Hurricane. F. Cramp. G. Lagging. H. Breaths. 1. Painful feeling in your muscles. 2. Stumbled. 3. Air taken into or coming out of the lungs. 4. More than a few but less than many. 5. Falling behind. 6. Competition in which participants run about 3 miles. 7. Prepared for a competition. 8. Large wind storm. Answer A. More than a few but less than many. B. Competition in which participants run about 3 miles. C. Prepared for a competition. D. Stumbled. E. Large wind storm. F. Painful feeling in your muscles. G. Falling behind. H. Air taken into or coming out of the lungs. Let's learn grammar. Insert apostrophe wherever it is required. A. Bangaro's cartoons. B. Warden's orders. C. Father's car. D. Teacher's day cards. E. Raman's bag. F. The world's tale. G. These men's wallets. H. My friend's book. Vocabulary time. Use a dictionary and arrange these words in alphabetical order. Hint: look at the first 2 letters of each word. 1. Apple, aunt, axe, arrow. 2. Sun, sun, seat, school. 3. Book, ball, bill, buy. 4. Man, mango, meal, more. Life skills. How you will convince your friends who have scored fewer marks in math subject and console them to score well in the next exam. Color the star with the right option. A. Would you teach them? B. Would you make fun of them? C. Would you ignore their emotions?